I'm Milan with WD-40. Today I'm going to show you how to protect and lubricate with WD-40 Specialist Silicone. It's perfect for those areas like conveyor belts, chutes, and garage doors. Step 1. Identify areas needing protection. Look for surfaces where silicone can provide long-lasting lubrication and protection. Step 2. Apply silicone. Spray the silicone lubricant on the target areas. It resists water and protects against rust and wear. Step 3. Observe the benefits. Notice how it dries with no stickiness or messy residue with a temperature range of -100 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. WD-40 Specialist Silicone ensures smooth operation and protection for your equipment, extending its life and efficiency. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope that you got some value out of those tutorials. Now, if you want to learn more about the entire Specialist brand, head over to WD-40 to check out the full range of the Specialist brand to see how the pros use it.